Now the last question. The last question of the section C or this chapter is about silicon. A structure is drawn like this and they are asking about the physical properties. Now how can you understand which properties does it have? You have to see what type of elements are there in this compound: carbon, hydrogen, silicon, oxygen, and they are again repeated. So you can see that all of these elements are non-metals. If they are non-metals, you can predict that the bond will be covalent bond, and hence, because it is a covalent bond, you can predict the physical properties. Now remember the physical properties of the covalent bonds. They are non-conductors of heat and electricity because they don't have any free electrons available, and they are insoluble in water. Beside this, they are used as insulators, and good organic compounds, plastic, etc., are formed from silicon. Their melting and boiling points are relatively lower. If they are solids, they are present in the form of plastic, etc. So now you can predict the physical properties of the compounds on the basis of their physical or on the basis of their bonds. And the last question is about carbon dioxide and silicon dioxide. It is a gas and it is a solid with a high melting and boiling points. Why is this so? Though both of these are covalent compounds. Now remember what I told you, that giant molecular structure, because they have very strong intermolecular forces, one molecule will attract the other molecule very strongly. They will not let it go. So the melting point is very high. They are very hard. One of the hardest substances are giant molecular structures. While in the case of carbon dioxide, the molecules are separate. They are simple molecular structures. So these are simple molecular structures. Remember that under normal conditions, you have to remember that there are three giant molecular structures in your course of O levels. Those are diamond, graphite, and silicon dioxide, also known as sand. Carbon dioxide, on the other hand, has very low melting and boiling point because it is a simple molecular structure. It is a covalent compound. So this is the answer.